people. Yes. Morning. So good. So good. So good. It is so good. Man is so good. Banana for share with the neighbors them. Nice. We'll go on a road trip tomorrow. I think we should oh, watching yourself. Oh, Lizard, are you with that? Alright, Jamaica people. Alright, my people. I've got to tie up the bird pepper tree. Have to do that. Peace and tranquility. You know, so what means that the sausage have to go run sideways. You see, well, go on. I have to build a better thing for the sausage. The birds, them, they bought the place now. Yeah, man. Okay. Now, watch this. You see me little orange, see me little orange tree that's so. See it there? There, that's all, you know. Watch yourself. Little lime tree. Take your time, huh? Them little thing I can't find you, you know. Hide from them, hide from people. Hide from people. People mustn't find you. Yeah, look at her up here. I want to go in there, so I'll catch them over, so I'll catch two, you know. People. Yeah, so you want to see, alright, wait there. I would at the palm tree. Hey, me telling already, you know. So if we no come round here, so you know. A war in the city, you know. When I say life not pretty, you know, caterpillar. What you dip around the tree, I do. No, a war with me, oh no. Me telling already. Me telling her, you know. You know how long me on that tree I live. And I go. Alright, no. A trouble. A trouble for you, no. Big up to Nadine Lee. Guess what, guys? Nadine replanted her coffee tree in St. Thomas for Jamaica Good Life Coffee. Nadine, big up yourself. Yours no buckle upon shelf. Oh, see it, yeah? Special. Wow, let's say, alright, you see when grass grow, alright, here's something about farming, people. What I need for now. You see, every time on a run, go clean up place. Remember, I know, pay attention. You see this right here? You know what it's called? And I never know this. It's called farming competition. Right? Okay, that's what I call it. All right. One of the know say, upon the guinea, upon this tree, when you can have another fruit, I'll grow with it. So what I do is not like if you clean up the place too much. Guess why I don't know if you clean up the place too much? Because the grass have the flower and the bees come. So if the place too clean, a lot of bees now go come. The more bees you have coming to your place, then you can build honey. Then you can make some what? Money. Right? So, well, let's get back to you. You see you? Because you know I'm busy, you know. And because you know I'm busy. But me not go just lick you off, you know. Come on. Watch yourself. So, no, let's have a talk. Them hurt you? All right, hear me I say to you. Hear me I say to you. Hear me I say to you. You know, hear me I say to you. I go Manchester, I go plant some tree. I soon come back. Cause them say some tree where them say them plant. Are you only catching on the thing? So more you have to protect yourself. I soon come back. Alright. Okay. Sure. So now another love to see me weed up this. Why? Why should I weed this up? Why? Is it gonna live in a concrete jungle for too long? That's just not a problem. Wanna know why should I weed this up? Why? Why should this be clean and weak? Because wanna live in a concrete? We don't see this. Randy, just go weed out the grass. What? When you're looking at the forest, so when you look on planet Earth and the Amazon, you know if you do it too often, people. Look at this and look at that. Make the bees them come in. There's different ways to do things. Wanna just follow Babylon too much, man. Wanna out of touch, man. Look on this one you saw. That one you wild, you know. But we don't probably not even know when this don't grow. We don't probably not even know what we can do with the little stick where it make. Everything has a what? Purpose. So if you cut it down, you might not learn nothing from it. Look on this. We might can research this and find out that this is also a herb good for something. All the herbs are just because you don't know. And this is why you don't allow the trees to grow. This, look here. What if this is good for joints? Look how it look. And then a herbalist know what them will do. Them will take it. Right? Now them will smell it. And then them will taste it. And them taste for the bitter. And them see it fresh. So them say, okay, if it's fresh, that means that it can eat. And I can show it and look at enzyme, I go in my teeth. Aha. And then them invent something named chew cane. See chew cane sick then at the morning? It's totally fresh. Don't go poison me. My taste for the bitter. You know, me have a juice the cane. And what if this little juice in the cane now have something in it? Say, Randy, you're mad? Look there. All right. Then go research it and find out it's good for something. So what you do as a herbalist, you find something, you chew it up, and then see what happens to you the next day. If you break out, part of the thing. But they're so happy together. All right. You know, she said, sometimes, you know, when you clean up things too much, you know, that's how the caterpillar them coming out. But if you hide the soursop tree among all the other, it's hard for them find, you know. So why not you clean up things too much? Because so when you clean it up and the caterpillar walk and they say, yo, what a big tree there. That's soursop tree. Go feed. But you see when it's a jungle out there, him have to go through the jungle to get to here. Pay attention, not to mention the fever gross. And the young kid, let me take a picture of my pumpkin. And you know, so one thing I have to clean up the mint though. Yes. All right. Notice. All right. When you notice how the potato them run from ground and find them way. Eh? Love it. Love the little jungle. Look how the pumpkin them run and do them thing. Look on the cane. We just need some more time, man. Eh? Look on the cane, them a do them thing. Banana tree that's up, my good time. So, where I go? Okay. Yeah, what? It's a party. Oh, two sticking out more now. That's how the enzyme then how they go. Yeah, man. Yeah, little chlorophyll in the system. Once it's fresh, it's good. No mango tree over there, so. Alright, in the jungle, everybody have to survive. So that's part of this whole thing here, so. My man said to me, you can't plant the coconut tree too deep. Okay, what that? It a girl? Alright. But if you talk too much sometimes, you see. And the sugar cane there. Are you Kenzie? Kenzie from Kenzie. That man in the backyard. In the top yard, in the backyard. Look on the ackee tree them on top. People, the ackee them they on top, Ackee for Christmas. We're gonna have ackee in Christmas, people. In the backyard. Alright. Today, we're gonna take the bottom fever grass down here. Alright, so now you see the dry ones. You have some dry ones. So you want to wash your plate. You get the dry ones or the green ones. Wash your plate then. Big up to Shaza. The girl was scared of Jamaica. Hey. Said, now go on my beer. Alright, so here we know. Boom, boom, boom. See it there? Yeah, man. Let's know what's up. Let me think that it's not the watch. So you have to watch yourself. Yeah, look out. My memory not good, So when it comes to herbs, I don't remember all of them. You have some expert on that. Make the herbalist them do them thing. So this morning's tea is gonna be Leaf of Life or fever grass. Remember, I don't boil tea. I crack leaves. Let's take the one down here. And we're gonna make our drink for today also. So this is my catch bed. So now, this is ackee. No, this right just look like PR sauce. See mango there? And so enough mango seed we put in this here. That's a wicked and nice mango, So I'm gonna have to cut mango seed and do all of that. That's why you see me keep the grass. Guess what? Boom. Start us. Alright, so now, yeah, man, I'm gonna bring down to Manchester and plant it. So I get some coconut and plant it. So alright, my catch bed. Alright, people, although you guys are expert at farming, I'm not an expert. I'm just a naturalist. But I'm very busy. We're going to launch. I'm making the business card for Money School in Jamaica to help the youths them learn, put the scan code on it. That's my next thing. So we'll finish up the health box. We're working on money school, right? So I'm telling, and then, you know, so I'm telling us some different projects, work on it. And we just raised $500, sent it to Tyler in Africa. She had, thanks to everyone, she was stranded. Yeah, so people, I'm just saying to you, this is your home. This is Jamaica. I know it's hard for you in abroad or wherever you are. It's cold and you're working hard. But have faith, don't give up. Your grandmother grave is still here. I was going to say if you need advice, call me, but just watch the videos and comment. And if you have a question, I'll in the comment. I love everybody, but I'm really busy. I'm working on so much projects, and when people call me to help them personally, I'm working out from a country. I've been working from a country from 2002. It's hard to be helping individuals because they take a lot of energy. And, you know, my rate is actually 500 US per hour. So I'm not the tour guide because them can't afford me. So cannot afford me. My work for the ghetto youth is too important. Remember, when I build it, one cause get be live yet in Botswana. So now, you know what I gotta do? Make some sea moss and banana. Gotta build a Marcos Garvey house in Botswana. So all I'm gonna do is just heat up the water and then crack the leaves. Just crack the leaves, crack them, wash them good, heat the water, crack the leaves. You need the microbacteria on there is good for your gut. Your stomach needs to learn what's happening in nature. The reason why some people are allergic, because the information on the leaf, they like to clean. When you're too clean, you're not gonna be in sync with nature, okay? The only way to build your immune system is to get information into the system where the body has to ask, what is this? And once the body asks, what is this? So if everything you do, you pristine, you wash and you kill all the microbacteria, the body's gonna learn nothing new. And the microbacteria in life outside here, this is what builds your system, you know? And every now and then your immune has to be triggered in order to strengthen itself. It's like a muscle. So if everything is clean and the immune system is not being challenged, guess what? You're gonna be sicky. You're gonna be allergic to everything outside of you because the body doesn't know what it is. So every time you interact with the trees and stuff, the body's like, what's that? And it goes crazy. So country bushmen, they're always healthy and they live long. Because what they do, they crush the leaves, they don't boil it. They crush the leaves, heat the water, and then they soak it. And that's it. And when the leaves are crushed, and then the stuff leaves it, and that's all you need. Don't overdo anything. All right, people? It will make you have a lot of gas when you get older. You hear old people like, can them boil too much tea? All right? Too much chemical pass through them body. Imagine you just drink water and cucumber for a long time. Your body kind of balance. But all these different chemicals, and then you boil them, so you're processing them, right? Sometimes you just let this soak in the sun. All right, people? Later.